Your design is made, whatever type of design you have, should have symmetry, should have lots of straight lines that are joining together to form some kind of triangle. We're going to add some value. So dark and light areas, but they're going to be within each little section that you have. So it'll start dark and then go lighter inside each section. So that will make something called gradation. That is a slow change from dark to light. So for example, well, you want to start in the middle. That's the best place to start so you don't have any confusion. So I'm going to start out in the center of this shape. And it's always best to start dark. And then as you go across, you get lighter. So I'm going up and down. And then slowly ease up pressure to make your value go from dark to light. And if you're having a hard time staying in the lines, you can use your ruler as kind of a bumper. You know, like when you go bowling, they have bumpers for the little kids. So I can put my ruler by the edge, and then I only have to worry about controlling it on one side of my object instead of all sides. And fade it out so it's pretty much white by the time it gets to the other side. And then you can choose another color, whatever you would like. I tend to use opposites a lot because they work well together. They make each other look better. All right, this is dark here and it's light over here. So next door, I want to do the opposite. So is this end dark or light? This end is light, and this will be dark. So I'll start out dark here with my orange. As I go across, ease up pressure. Make sure you have a decent area that's dark and a decent sized area that's medium. So I see too many kids that they trace a dark line and then color the whole thing light. It'll look much nicer if you have a decent sized dark and medium area. And slowly ease up pressure and then keep going. So every single one does the opposite. This will be blue, this will be dark, that's light. This will be orange, and the values are flip-flopped. And here's a few examples, which I will also have on the board for you to see. Where this one, I did half and half, black and white, and part of it was analogous colors. On this one, it's more opposites, only tints of opposites. Red and green are complements, and I have pink and teal. And then this one was with analogous colors. And you can see where the value creates some thickness to the object. It doesn't look flat anymore.